welcome back friends. And in Facebook, when you are opening your profile, I'm going to show you. Suppose you are opening your profile here and view as, and anybody seeing your profile, he will see add friend. If you want to convert this button add friend into follow, what will you do? I'm going to cover in this video. If you want to convert add friend button into follow button, so add friend is coming. Now we will do 2-3 activities. What will we do? Just go to the 3 dots, go to the setting and privacy, and then go to the settings, and here we will go account, audience and visibility. Here how will profile people contact to, change it to friends of friends. Okay, now go back and go to the public contact, and here select public, followers and public contact. Here also public, just go posts, this should be also public. These 3 settings you need to do. Now we will go again to the profile, and now we will see view as, and now see follow. This button has been converted, add friends has been, button has been converted to the follow button. Now I will revert back. Okay, just I will go to the setting, here go to the audience and visibility, posts, friends, then how people will contact you, everyone, and now we'll go and followers and public, here friends, below friends. Now see what is happening there. View as, see add friends. So this is how you will convert add friend into the follow, or follow to the add friend. So if you like the video, please consider to subscribe this channel. Thank you very much.